Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a pizza lover like me, you're always on the hunt for ways to enjoy your favorite slices without breaking the bank. Today, I've got something super exciting for you. 25 brand new Pizza Hut coupon codes for 2025 that could save you a ton of dough, pun intended. Whether you're ordering online for a quick delivery or picking up in store, these codes are here to make your meals more affordable. First off, let's dive right in. I've compiled a fresh list of codes that Pizza Hut has just released. For example, use code PIZZA25 to get 25% off your entire order, perfect for family nights. Then there's Hut Deal 10 for $10 off any large pizza, ideal if you're feeding a crowd. We've got Free Wings for a free side of wings with any medium pizza purchase, and 2FOR1 to buy one pizza and get another one free. That's just the start. Other gems include Save 15 for $15 off orders over $30, delivery free to waive delivery fees, and App 20 for 20% off when you order through the Pizza Hut app. In total, here are a few more highlights. Pizza Party for buy one get one on party sizes, Veggie 10, saving $10 on veggie loaded pizzas, Meat Lovers 5 for $5 off meat heavy options, Kids Meal for discounts on kids' meals, and Late Deal for 15% off late night orders. That's 25 codes in all, so make sure to jot them down or pause the video. Now, how do you use these? It's super easy. Head over to the Pizza Hut website or app, add your items to the cart, and enter the code at checkout. Remember, these codes might have some restrictions, like minimum order amounts or expiration dates, so check the terms before you order. Pro tip: combine these with ongoing promotions for even bigger savings. If you're excited about these deals, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more coupon updates, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. What's your go-to Pizza Hut order? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear. Thanks for watching, and happy pizza eating. See you in the next one.